open on the street. He was on the wrong side of the track. He'd done some stints in jail. He goes, I pulled him off the streets. I made him into a man who appreciates everything in his life. And when I'm talking to him in this pre-fight ritual, I'm telling him, Melvin, look how far you've come. Look how you've turned your life around. Look how you've gone from a criminal's life to the life of a sporting superstar throughout Europe. And everything you've achieved. You've got a family. You've got a house of your own. You've got money in the bank. You've got superstar status. You've got people that look up to you as a hero and idolise you. Don't let them down in centering here tonight, and don't let yourself down.
I'm prepared to die in the ring, so it doesn't matter what's going to happen.
Can you be defeated because you just look like you're just built, you can't work in an office, you're just built to just hurt people? Or you,
I live for this shit.
you live.